Watch it, dog!
No, dog. Don't do it. It's fast.
Watch it, dog! Hey, here it comes! Here it comes! Hey! Shake the tent!
Be aggressive.
Shake the tent!
Shake the tent.
Do like this! Yeah, do like that!
So checking us out, we had to fire like 6 rounds of flares to scare it off, and 1 bullet in front of him. And I'm not quite sure if it wants to go. It's not decisive yet, and it might be that we have to kill this one, which is really bad. It's eating snow like I don't care shit what you do. Arrogant, man.
Go away! Hey! Fuck off!
Go away!
Go away! Hey!
Come on!